Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp. This account cannot use WhatsApp. And if you're seeing this message that this account cannot use WhatsApp when trying to use WhatsApp, it typically indicates that your account has been banned or restricted. And here are some steps you can try to fix this issue. You need to first check your ban, determine if your account has been banned by WhatsApp. You can do this by trying to create a new account within the same phone number as well. And if you receive a message stating that you're banned, then your account has been restricted. Or you could also try reviewing your WhatsApp term of services to ensure that you have not violated any rules. Common reasons for bans including sending spams messages, using third-party apps, or engaging in abusive behavior as well. You could also try waiting for the ban to expire. If your account has been temporarily banned, you may need to wait for the ban to expire. This can range from a few hours to several days, depending on the severity of the violation. And if you're unable to resolve the issue with the current number, you may need to use a different phone number to create a new WhatsApp account. It's important to note that the attempting to circumvent a ban by creating a new account or using a third-party apps can lead to further restrictions. It's best to follow WhatsApp guideline and seek support if you believe your account was banned unfairly. And this is it guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.